Chào buổi sáng. Today, I'm going to be trying the Korean spicy noodle challenge. I'm with my Lùn friend.
Xin chào.
Since she's Vietnamese, or just Asian in general, I'm assuming her spice tolerance is going to be a bit higher than mine. My spice tolerance, it's okay. And today, you guys, I am wearing my red shirt because with my red shirt, you can see my sweat very easily. It's literally around 6 a.m. right now, and you can already see mồ hôi neck, and you can see some sweat right here. I think after eating the noodles, I will be completely drenched in sweat, but you will be able to see absolutely everything. Also, to make this challenge a little bit more fun, I brought my fishing pole because at the end of the video, I'll try to catch a fish with Korean fire spicy noodles. I think that's what they say, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Korean fire spicy noodles. I don't know if it's gonna work, but we'll try it regardless. And if you're wondering about the life vest, since there's water all around, Lùn không biết đi bơi. She doesn't know how to swim. Safety precautions are always a priority of mine. I brought water just in case. And I know many of you are like, Dustin, you should probably drink milk. Well, you guys, milk gives me giỏi, and I don't want explosive diarrhea because my spice tolerance, as I mentioned earlier, is very average. And I already feel like I'm gonna have diarrhea for an entire week. So a combination of Korean spicy noodles and milk together means explosive diarrhea. Thankfully, I can go to the bathroom all around me. Flavors that we have, cheese. She's gonna be eating cheese. I don't know, what is this one? Like super spicy?
Yeah, spicy. Yeah, cay.
Yeah, cay, but cay nhiều, cay
Bình thường.
Bình
Cái
thường.
này là cay nhiều hơn nè.
Okay, nhiều hơn ở đây. And this one is the ultra spicy one. So I'll be eating this one and this one. And Lùn will be eating the cheese. But since she's only this tall and she only eats this much, she's just gonna have one. I'm gonna eat two, or try to at least.
I heard they have a number. It's like, which one is the spiciest?
I don't know. And Soup Sick is always around me, but she's trying to catch stuff right now. Look at that stomach. Good, what? So now that I have super clean hands, I think it's time for us to make the noodles. I boiled this when I had electricity, and now I don't. I don't really cook noodles very often, so Nguyen Lùn's gonna help me. Or
Yeah.
Lùn.
Lùn.
Xin lỗi, okay.
Yeah. Sợ một chút. So the noodle is the same. Này hình như mì nước á. Xin không biết. Cứ ví dụ nó là mì khô.
It smells spicy. I think there's spice inside it already.
Thử test đi.
I can sense it a little bit.
But like
No.
spice
I know. I'll eat it all together because I don't want to screw things up.
Xin sợ.
It's just
Sợ lắm ha.
a little bit, yeah. All right. This is what we got. Let's start cooking the noodles. What do I how much? How much?
Cover all the.
All of it.
Yes. Nóng không?
Chưa.
Okay.
All right. Now I gotta wait 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
5 phút.
Quên nắp rồi. We have to have the lid.
I don't have a lid.
But just put it there.
Okay.
It will be 5 phút.
We gotta wait 5 minutes.
Yeah.
So this is gonna be for Lùn, or aka Người Lùn.
No.
Again, she's this big and she eats this much.
The only thing that I'm more confident that I can beat Dustin.
Yeah, probably, but
Okay.
all right, let me drain it, you guys. Really not looking forward to this, but it is what it is. Water's drained. Noodle preparation is almost over. Mine, Lùn. I don't think so. Nah.
Okay, so it's just plain noodle.
All right, so it's not spicy yet.
Okay, ready?
Nope.
Phô mai.
Is this phô mai?
Đúng rồi.
So we might get some extra protein right here. There's a lot of insects, but I think it's a ladybug. I like ladybugs. But there you go.
Okay.
So this is the the phô mai with cheese. No, not the two. We gotta eat together. Trời ơi. Somebody's excited. I'm not excited.
Ok.
Okay.
Cái này là cay nè, double.
So I use this one?
Wow, it's so red. Look extra spicy.
Nữa?
Double.
Oh god, it's so much thicker. I guess vegetables. I'm trying to be healthy. Alright guys, so this is what I'm gonna be eating. Alright, noodles look good. Alright, let's do the sweat check. You guys can see I'm already quite sweaty. My shirt is pretty much covered. And it's probably like 6:30 now in the morning. That was a big B.
You ready?
No! Hi guys. Really not excited. Here's all the noodles for you.
Smell test.
I can smell a little spicy. It does smell nice. I can smell the spiciness to it. All right.
Dustin is very nervous.
I'm getting ready for eat giỏi.
This is sợ vãi. Okay, ready?
No.
Yours smell more spicy than me.
Is the phô mai? And that doesn't even smell spicy. Are you kidding? Is that one spicy? So if yours is not spicy, I'm giving you some of mine.
Okay.
Okay.
Somebody already. Okay, one.
No. I don't like spicy stuff that much, you guys.
Be the man.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, one. Two.
I'm nervous. I'm shaking. Okay.
One.
All right. I don't even count. Just eat it. It's spicy.
Mine so.
No, wait a second.
Thường.
It's spicy, but it's that was a bug. It's not as I'm thinking it's gonna be like crazy spicy. Here, eat a little bit of mine. But I'm expecting it to be more spicy. I'm waiting for it to kick in, so I'll eat more.
Ăn một chút thôi. Mine is not spicy, right?
It's not even spicy. Okay, so far it's not too bad. It is spicy, I feel it.
Yours better. Wow.
I'm disappointed. I thought it was gonna be like crazy spicy.
Wait.
How long do I need to wait?
Từ từ.
But I do want water. All right. So far, it's not that bad. It is spicy if I just do this with my mouth. Wait a second. It's just drool from the spiciness, but it's not that bad so far.
Cái ăn ngon hơn.
No, yours, yeah, for my get. What?
Nhưng mà không ngon.
It's not that bad though.
See, we're not doing the challenge. No.
She's like, Dustin, let's do a challenge. Because she's very confident before she's doing this, you know.
I'm Asian, so I thought. But yours not spicy?
It is spicy. But maybe my spicy tolerance is better than I thought. Come sao, em ôm đi. So if she drinks the water first, technically she loses. Come on, em ôm.
Chưa. I need to protect my Asian.
Em mồ hôi.
Are you serious?
I think if I caught some rats and ate it with rats, it'd be better. That's just the drool from the spiciness. I thought I'd be experiencing like a life or death situation, but
I feel the numb.
just a lot of drool. I was waiting for my nose to start. But then thường. You know, because you guys know Nguyen and I, she does the subtitles for my videos, and she helps me out a lot with YouTube. So I have to meet her quite often for work. But she's like, Dustin, I'm gonna kill you in this video.
I thought.
I'm gonna kill you. It's not going the case.
I think because you eat.
Don't get me wrong, I want water. Did you drink?
Chưa.
So,
Chưa. I already ate some of yours.
I don't want any for my. Come on.
That's fair. It's just fair.
Here. I don't want it.
Nhưng mà I eat some of yours already.
And yours isn't even spicy. It's not fair. I'm getting full though. Seriously?
Chưa, just repair with that. Look at that.
You were so confident coming into this.
I think.
Can you guys see all the flies? Okay. Let's see if I can catch some gajah.
No, I think it's more. Mine is more spicy.
Yours is not even spicy.
You haven't drank?
No, Jua,
Uh-oh.
because I'm stronger than you. All right.
Maybe.
Joy to the world, the Lord is come. Let earth receive her King.
I only think that I'm more confident that I can beat Dustin.
Okay. Nguyen just cheated. She just drank. I won that one. I saw that. Let's see if catfish like. Spicy Korean noodles. You guys ready?
All right.
Okay. Okay. Got it. Got it. Wah, bah, 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 bah. So, Korean spicy noodle challenge, and catfish eating it too. Yeah. All right, let's check up on Nguyen. Overall, my expectations were these are some of the hottest things ever, and don't get me wrong, they're very spicy, but they're not that spicy. Maybe for Nam Lom.
I think mine is more spicy. It's not. It doesn't taste spicy, but maybe it's more spiciness on it.
Mine's more spicy. Yeah. How do you feel?
After this, we'll Google. I think yours like the less spicy.
Nah. So you guys, for Mahoy, my shirt is.
Oh, wait.
Em, you said mine is the spiciest one you can possibly buy on the market.
Mình nghĩ là cái này nó phô mai thôi nhưng mà nó cay hơn.
No, it's not.
Oh yeah.
Excuses.
No.
What?
Nè, I think mine's more spicy. Nè,
No, it's not.
ở đây là cái này. This is the spicy level. Mine is 4,000 SU. Yours less.
Em, this one here, it says 4,000 something. I can't read Korean, but right there, you guys. Yours is not more spicy than mine.
Không cay.
It's not.
Wait.
I've eaten it before.
Okay, I think I'm lost.
You totally lost. The spicy level, I honestly thought it was gonna be a lot spicier. It's spicy, don't get me wrong, but it's like some of the videos that I've seen, like people are like dying. Maybe it's really spicy for them or they're just overreacting, but it wasn't that bad.
My mouth burned.
I know, me too. Catfish. Dude, I ate that too, man. The catfish like it. I was able to catch a catfish on the Korean spicy noodles, which I was stoked about because catfish eat everything. They're not wild catfish, so it's really easy to catch them because they're farm raised. But for you guys, if you want to see what Nguyen Lùn looks like without a life vest, I'll put her social media accounts below. My social media accounts also below and on the screen right here. In the comment section, you guys, I'll tell you if I get diarrhea, because when I'm filming this video and when I'll post it, it'll be a few days later because I'm quite busy at the moment, but I'll keep you guys updated. So if you want to try the Korean spicy noodles, go for it. It's really not as bad as people think they are. I don't know. Maybe for her it is. But alright, tạm biệt mọi người. We'll see you later. Em ốm đi. Ốm đi. Ốm đi. Trời, người lưu mạnh quá. Sao?
Joy to the world, the Lord is come. Let earth receive
The only thing
her
that I'm more confident that I can beat
King.
Dustin.
Let